Hi guys, how to make a game pass in Roblox. Now go to the Roblox website and click the Create tab at the top menu bar. This opens the Creator Hub where all the real game building happens. Click on Creations in the left sidebar, stay on the Experiences tab, and then click your default place or game. This is where your game lives, so don't pick the wrong one. Scroll down the left sidebar menu until you see the monetization category. Then click on Passes. This step is where most beginners get lost, so follow carefully. Click the Create a Pass button, fill in a required name, make it catchy, add an optional description or image, then scroll down and click Create Pass at the bottom. Keep watching because the next step makes it actually sellable. Click on your newly created pass from the list. Select Sales from the left menu, toggle Item for Sale to On, enter your Robux price, and click Save Changes. That's it! Your pass is now live and ready for players to buy.